In this video, I'm going to show you how to download videos from Rednote. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and locate a video that you would like to download. So for this example, we're going to go ahead and just download this video. So all we're going to be doing is we're going to be going to the right menu and selecting on this share button at the very bottom. It should basically be like an arrow, and then all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and press on the option that says copy link, which should be right over here. Once you're done with that, go ahead and open up any web browser. And all we need to do is we need to look up this website over here. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but just make sure to go ahead and just type it in, and then it should appear right over here. So go ahead and just enter this website, and then all you got to do from here is you got to paste in the Rednote video link over here, like so. Then I'm just going to go ahead and paste it. Then I'm going to go ahead and press on this button that says Parsi. I don't even think it's in English, but then you should see something that looks like this. And then all you want to do is you want to press on download the video. And then it is going to show up something like this. Then go to the bottom and then select on the three dots one more and go ahead and press on download one more time. And just like that, you have now downloaded the Rednote video to your device. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.